In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Upstream O2 sensor on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this panel using an 8mm socket, take the bolts out. Grab the panel, slide it back and down. I'm going to disconnect the connector right here. I'm just going to pull those two little tabs to the side. Push this tab down. Slide it off. It's clipped in over on the side. Slide it out of the clips. You can push this up past the transmission tube. Can just hang like that. Now we're up top and reaching by the back of the motor. You can see if you follow the wire around, there is a clip right there. You just got to open that clip up and you can release the wire the rest of the way and pull that up. Using a 22mm O2 sensor socket, you can slide it right over the O2 sensor with a long extension. We'll loosen this up. Slide it out. And take the new O2 sensor, slide it down in position. Get it started by hand. Slide the socket on. And torque the O2 sensor to 36 foot-pounds. And slide the wiring harness down below. You just want to clip it in right over the transmission. That's good right there. Just push that tab down a little bit. Slide the wire down. Connect the connector. Lock that down. Put it in the bracket. Slide that in like that. And take the wire. We want to clip that in over here, so it doesn't rub on the drive shaft. And just slide that in place. That's good there. And take the cover, the shield, slide it underneath. Bolts started. those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.